Welcome to Smart Stock Watch, your go-to channel for in-depth financial analysis. Today is November 5th, 2024, and we're diving into Coupang's third quarter earnings report. Joining us is John, Senior Analyst from Smart Stock Watch. John, thanks for being here.
Thank you for having me. It's a pleasure to discuss Coupang's latest financial performance.
Let's start with a brief introduction. Coupang, a major player in the e-commerce and technology sector, has just released its Q3 2024 earnings. The company has shown significant growth in several areas, and we're here to break it all down for our viewers. Revenue and profitability overview. Let's start with the top line. Coupang reported net revenues of $7.9 billion for the third quarter, marking a 27% increase year over year. John, can you shed some light on this impressive growth?
Absolutely. Coupang's revenue growth is quite remarkable, especially considering the 32% increase on an FX-neutral basis. This growth is driven by both their core product commerce segment and the developing offerings segment, which includes international expansion and new services like Coupang Eats and FinTech.
And what about profitability? The gross profit increased by 45% to $2.3 billion, with a gross margin improvement of 350 basis points. What does this tell us about Coupang's operational efficiency?
The significant increase in gross profit and margin expansion to 28.8% indicates that Coupang is effectively managing its cost structure while scaling its operations. This is a positive sign of operational efficiency and strategic cost management.
Segment performance and customer growth. Moving on to segment performance, the product commerce segment generated $6.9 billion in revenue. How is this segment performing in terms of customer growth?
The product commerce segment saw a 16% year-over-year increase in revenue, with active customers reaching 22.5 million, up 11% from last year. This growth reflects Coupang's strong customer retention and acquisition strategies.
And the developing offerings segment, it reported a staggering 347% increase in revenue. What's driving this growth?
The developing offerings segment, which includes international markets and new services, is experiencing rapid growth. Excluding Farfetch, the growth was still an impressive 146% year-over-year. This highlights Coupang's successful expansion into new markets and services.
Financial health and cash flow. Let's talk about Coupang's financial health. The company reported a net income of $64 million, but there was a decrease compared to last year. What factors contributed to this?
The decrease in net income is primarily due to the operating losses from Farfetch. However, excluding Farfetch, net income attributable to Coupang stockholders was approximately $108 million, showing a more positive picture.
And how about cash flow? Operating cash flow was $1.8 billion, but free cash flow decreased significantly. Can you explain this?
The decrease in free cash flow, down to $935 million, is mainly due to non-recurring working capital benefits from the previous year and the timing of capital expenditures. Despite this, Coupang's cash flow remains robust, supporting its growth initiatives.
Strategic initiatives and future outlook. John, let's discuss Coupang's strategic initiatives. The company has introduced new offerings like Fulfillment and Logistics by Coupang and Analyst. How do these fit into their growth strategy?
These new offerings are part of Coupang's strategy to expand its selection and enhance its delivery capabilities. Fulfillment and Logistics by Coupang, in particular, is a significant growth opportunity, leveraging their existing infrastructure to offer more services to customers.
And what about their future outlook? The CFO mentioned reaching near break-even profitability in Farfetch earlier than planned. What does this mean for Coupang's future?
Reaching near break-even in Farfetch is a significant milestone, indicating that Coupang's investments in new segments are starting to pay off. The focus on customer satisfaction and operational excellence will likely drive continued growth and profitability.
Key takeaways. In summary, Coupang has delivered a strong performance in Q3 2024, with impressive revenue growth and strategic initiatives paving the way for future success. John, any final thoughts on Coupang's investment prospects?
Coupang's robust growth and strategic focus on expanding its offerings and improving operational efficiency make it an attractive investment. The company's ability to adapt and innovate in a competitive market is commendable.
Thank you, John, for your insights. And thank you to our viewers for tuning in. If you found this analysis helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to Smart Stock Watch. We'd love to hear your thoughts on Coupang's performance in the comments below. Until next time.